I still can't believe it. I wrote a book. And finally I can show it to you. It was in the process for almost 7-8 months, or maybe more than 8 months. Today I can show you a little bit of it, but not everything, because I want it to be some of them a surprise in the book. It's a huge project and it took me a while to actually do everything. I just finished it yesterday, so I'm really pleased with it. I'm really happy how it turned out, and I hope you like it too. Before I show you anything, have you ever made anything with a plastic canvas? Have you used it once, or you bought maybe like an older ornament style plastic canvas decoration, or maybe you built like a 3D house, because I saw a few of those as well. If you tried it, what is your opinion about it? Do you like to stitch on it, or is it harder than like on Ida or even Viv? Okay, here is a little sneak peek of the book. Okay, so I named it as Design and Build Your Own Christmas Wreath, a plastic canvas book. It has mix and match 20 plus designs, so you are designing your own. It has wreath bases, bows, lights, candles, holly and more that you will find. As you can see, I'll take it a little closer look. All of them are stitched, so it's not AI. At the beginning, it has like an example how you stitch, what to do, how to choose. This is my inspiration. So in the last couple of years, I love making gingerbread, and I'm always making advent wreath. I love making gingerbread cookies with my family, and since I decided that gingerbread can be made as a wreath, I did it for like last couple of, I think maybe 4 or 5 years. And that was my inspiration for the, well, not the book, for the pattern, because at the beginning I just wanted to make a pattern for, our family, a gingerbread one. And then I started designing little mini decorations to put on the actual wreath, but I started thinking this one could be good for a different wreath, and it just kept going on. So all the ideas every single day, it kept coming to me. I wrote it down. I have a book with all of these ideas, and it came out at the end. I made 4 different bases. Make a normal wreath, or you can make an advent wreath as well. So I made different candle designs as well. Or if you want just a normal wreath, but you want to put a candle on, you can do that as well. And I made lots and lots of different, over 20 different accessories. I don't want to say all of it. I'm going to show you a few which ones I like most. But the concept is that you design your own, so you can choose which base you want to use, which decoration you want to put on. And even though I made all the patterns with the colors I like, I added different things you can choose. So you can choose, for example, the colors. You can choose how many different accessories you want to add on the wreath, and you are the designer. So I'm just giving you an example, lots of different options, and you make your own. It doesn't matter if you like traditional Christmas, you choose greens, golds, red, or if you like, for example, pink Christmas, you can choose all the pink colors, light pink, hot pink. It's great with a sparkly white color, for example, a Madeira one. Or you can make the different decorations with blue and silver. You can make it, for example, nature inspired one. You can make it, for example, someone who likes sweets. So all different kinds. All the patterns is in the book, and you choose your pick your favorite, choose your colors, and make it. And the best thing is that even if you do one this year, maybe next year you don't want to use it, you still have the book. You can choose whatever you like. You can choose a completely different one and make a different for next year and the next, I don't know, 20 years if you want. Because every time you make one and you choose different designs on it or different colors, it's all of them gonna look different like the year before. It's like a book that's always giving. And the best part is it's not just for a brief. So I added different things which you can use, for example, on a card or gift tag. You can make some of them for like hair accessories. I put everything in the book, description, how you do it. So it's everything in there. I hope you like the idea because I worked really hard on it and I'm really proud of this book. The main ingredient in the book is plastic canvas. Okay, so most of the time I used brown one for like the bases and the base of the candle. All the other ones I used clear one. These are both 14 counts. Hopefully you can see. So it's really easy to use. Also, when you finish, when you stitch your pattern on, at the back you can add felt and you can use the back stitching just to go around the pattern and secure it, and on the back it's gonna be nice and neat. Or you can add like an adhesive foam, I think that's the name of it, you know, the one foam which has like a sticky side, and you just stick to it and it's gonna be nice and neat as well. Don't worry, I'll explain everything in the book. I want to show you some of the processes I'm using when I'm making, you know, my patterns. I use my trusted book. This is a graph paper and this is how I start. So I always draw my pattern first, checking the numbers, you know, the sizes, the colors, and from the book I'll put them through on floss cross by cross. So I'm not, you know, just uploading a picture, and I'm not taking a picture, uploading, and, you know, floss cross is doing it itself. I'm doing it one by one, counting every color and put it on the system. I made a mini example of one of the wreaths. So as you can see, this is a plastic canvas, that's why it looks thicker. So I wrote, this is the green base, so I wrote down that light green, it's gonna be two different colors blended in, and the darker one is gonna be one color, and this is how it turned out. And I quickly show you one base which I made for my family. Okay, so I'm showing you the back first. So this is, well, kind of really neat. Okay, I put felt on mine and ta-da! This is how it looks like. So because we love the gingerbread one, I wanted to make a gingerbread one for my family, and it turned out amazing. I don't know if you can see, but the white one is like a sparkly one. Also, I wanted to show you because I'm always making the advent wreath, not just a normal wreath. This is how one of the candles look like. Oh, wait, this way. So this is the pink one, and you can have, you know, the advent calendar, the advent wreath is one pink and three purple. But if you want to do like different one, for example all cream, or if you have blue Christmas, you can choose all blue colors and just put it on, stitch it with a blue color and then put it on your wreath. It's completely up to you. That's why this is the best book ever. Because you're designing it for yourself. I'm just giving you the tools. Also, one more little thing. Okay, one of my absolute favorites is this. So I really like old parchment paper, and this turned out perfect. It's my absolute favorite. What do you think? and of course the nice back. Okay, so I'm showing you a little bit of an example. So here is your base. You can either put, 4 different candles to make an advent wreath, or if you don't want candles, you can put, for example, all the decorations in a different place, or you can put them here and make another 2 and put it here, or put it all around. Or if you want, you can put a candle in the middle and, for example, make 4 or 5 greenery and just put it around, and maybe, I don't know, some flowers or other different things next to it. Or you can put one here, you can put one here. It's completely up to you how you want to decorate. Yeah, so the options are yours. What do you think? I like this concept. Now imagine this. If in your family everyone would do one base, one wreath, how different would it be from yours? How they would differently change the colors? What accessories they would put on theirs, and what would you put on yours? This took me a long time because I not just designed one piece. It's a lot, but sometimes I redesigned it because I made it and I was thinking, oh, but this could be better. So I redesigned it again, and later on I might added a little more to it, or take away a little bit, or completely redesigned again. So it was a lot of work, but it was worth my time. This book has more than 50 pages, so it's quite a big one. Or do you like ebooks or PDFs? Also, I made one for pattern keeper users as well. So if you choose colored ones all the time, you can have the color. I made a black and white one if you choose black and white, so you can clearly see the back stitches, or you can have the pattern keeper one, and all of them are in the book. There is something in this book that nobody ever guessed yet, and it's my absolute favorite part, and it's just so adorable and so unique, and you can use it for so many different things, and I hope you're gonna like it as well, or love it as much as I do. So the ebook is going to be launching on the 1st of September in my Etsy shop. And I'm going to link a special code for you to get 10% off. Save the date and save the coupon code as well. If you could add one decoration to your Christmas wreath, what would it be? Let us know in the comment below. Also, I've got another secret project I'm working on, but it's gonna be in a later video. I only shown you a few different decorations today, but what do you think? What else is in the book? What different accessories or what colors did I use the most? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share with your friends, especially the crafty ones. Or if you want, you can gift it as a Christmas gift as well, because this is the perfect Christmas gift for a crafter. Also keep an eye out on my reels, because I'm going to show you little tips and tricks and more what's coming in the book. As always, thank you for watching and happy stitching. Bye!